Look at this. What can you hang here? What? Barbie clothes will not even hang here, John. Hattie's Barbie clothes will not even hang here.
But your clothes will.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with this? Okay, we've been talking about what to pack on this RV trip, you guys. Not sure where I'm gonna put all of this. It is most of the beauty products along with hair care. Apparently my space is about this big that I have, so I'm gonna have to pare this down. I know for sure I'm gonna need my mousse and some hair gel. And then of course, every girl's gonna need conditioning, because from what I am being told, that every campsite, the water is different. And my hair is already really dry, so I'm definitely gonna need this, this hair mask. And if the water's dry, I'm gonna need my almond oil for my body so that my skin doesn't look like lizard skin by the end of this 6-month trip. And then of course, every curly girl needs her Tresemme conditioner. And then in the event that I do find a bathtub somewhere, I may want to soak in this Dove Relaxation body wash. If not, I'll use it while I'm in the shower. Okay. Then I have to wash my face with Purpose because the dermatologist said so. My new secret is this Obagi blender. And what it does is it's supposed to help with age spots. I think it's working, been using it for about 5 months, so this is definitely a must. Let's see what else, hairspray. We've got different kinds of hairspray. This is flexible hairspray that I'm gonna need on days that it's not too windy, the humidity's really low. This is extra firm control. This is gonna be on days where we're out hiking or something like that, and I need the hair to not move. And let's not forget the Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. Everyone's gonna need dry shampoo when they camp, so I'm sure I'm no exception. I may need to buy some more of these, but right now I'm gonna start at least with this one. Okay, then I've got makeup. Oh, hold on. This right here absolutely has to go. This was a gift from my daughter and son-in-law a couple years ago for Christmas, my Dyson hair dryer. It travels with me just like my Bible does. So we definitely have to make room for this. Okay, if you guys have any suggestions on how I can get at least this and at least everything there into a 30-foot RV, please put some comments below. Let me know what I'm gonna do with all of this and where I can put it.